Hello, sir. Welcome to my project presentation. Our project presentation is about the inventory management system. Inventory management system helps a business to run smoothly by tracking the entire stock accurately. It can also be used in the manufacturing industry to create a work order, bill of materials, or other production related documents. We mainly want to make website that can keep up-to-date track of all the stock items, add or remove items on need, have all details of the product sorted by their categories, give alerts if a batch of product is out of stock or expiring soon, and also deliver the items to the buyers timely. We implemented this project using the Django and SQLite database. We choose the project because it will be really helpful for the companies, wholesalers or manufacturers to have a good inventory management system and to prevent any kind of economical loss. We need this system to manage inventory by reducing cost by tracking every product. Now, now I am going to signing up on this system. Now the sign up has completed successfully. Now I am going to log in this project. In this user interface, you can see three types of user can access our system. I am going to demonstrate the admin side of the system. In the admin side, we have added two features, that is add new product and stock report. In the add new product, I can add new product and it will update the stock and it will save to the database. Now the product adding is successful. Now in the stock report, you can see the product has updated to the stock and it has saved to the database. Now I am showing you the database of the admin site. In the product table, you can see the new product that has saved to the database, but the total buying price, that was the multiplication of the buying price and the purchase, which is not present in the database table, but present in the stock report. So that's also the rest of the project will be described by Afia Tasnim and Jannatul Tashrufu. Thank you, sir.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Jamila Tashrufa. Now I'm going to show you the customer side of this web page. First, you have to log in. To log in, you have to give your username and password and sign in. After signing in, we can go to our profile and see our username and user email. After going to the home, we have to click on customer. Here we can see the products we have. We fetch all the data for this page from our database. Both electronics and food. If you want to buy any product, you have to go to the specific category. Like if you want to buy this t-shirt, you have to give the product ID, which is 3, give the user ID and quantity, the amount of product you want to buy, and add it to the cart. If you want to buy any products from the electronics category, you have to do the same process. Like give the product ID, user ID, and quantity, and add it to the cart. Again, if you want to buy anything from the food category, we have to give the product ID, user ID, and quantity, and add it to the cart. So now I have ordered 3 products, product ID 3, 5, and 7. Now we can go to the view cart option and see that the 3 products are added to my order list. Now if we want to cancel any product, we can click on cancel option and give the product ID and cancel order. We can cancel multiple products. Like if I want to cancel product number 7, we can give the product ID and cancel order. Now if I want to buy the product ID number 3, now I have to click on the buy now and fill out this form. First we have to give the name, or customer ID number, or address, city name, area name, and our contact number. And deliver within time. Like if I want to deliver it in the morning. Alternative contact name, alternative contact number, and payment method. Like I want to pay for these products by bKash and submit it. Now you have our profile. Now if you want to update your profile, you have to click on the profile, update profile page. So in update profile, we can update our username, first name, last name, or email. So if you want to update our username, we can give any other username. Also, if you want to update our email, we can give any other email address and update the profile. So here you can see my profile is updated, my username and email address is changed. So after that, if you want to change your password, we can do it from here. We have to give our old password. And the new password. New password confirmation. And change password. So here you can see the message, your password has been changed successfully. So this is the customer side of this web page. In customer side, you can order items, you can change password or update your profile. So after that, you can log in. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Afia Taslim. I will show the activities done by the employee of inventory management system. At first, I will log in with my username and password. Then I will go to employee place.
An employee handles the orders placed by the customers.
MD handles the invoices, sales report, due report, and out of stock products. Orders. Orders placed by the customers will be shown in this page. This is an order placed by a customer. Now I will make an invoice of this order. The product ID is 3, user ID is 208, and quantity is 2 of this order. Now I will make an invoice. Customer ID is 208 and product ID is 3 and quantity is 2. I will get the name of the customer whose ID is 208 from the database. Product ID is 3. Similarly, I will get the product name T-shirt and selling price 350 of a product ID 3 from the database. Total price is the multiplication of quantity and selling price. Now this invoice is added in invoice table in database. All invoices are shown in this page. I have just made this invoice for customer ID 208. All columns of invoice table will be shown in that page, but as we can see, there is no column called payment status in invoice table. This page will also show the payment status of the customers according to due amount. I can delete invoice if I want. If I delete invoice, then the first invoice will be deleted. From order table, we can see that product ID is 3 and quantity is 2. Sales report. This page will show the buying and selling volume of the products. Now 2 pieces of product 3 have been sold. So sales amount will increase by 3 for product ID 3. Sales amount has been increased for product ID 3. Due report. This page will show the due amount of the customers from invoice table. In invoice table, customer ID 202, 203, and 208 have due, which is shown in this page. We can get customer information of any customer and contact with him. Out of stock products. This page will show the out of stock product information from product table. In product table, product ID 10, 11, 12, 13 have been out of stock. These products are shown here. Now we can get supplier information of any product and contact with the supplier. So these were the activities done by an employee in inventory management system. An employee will handle the orders placed by the customers. Employee will create invoice of received orders and increase sales amount of the products which are sold. An employee will contact with the customers who have due and contact with the supplier for buying out of stock products. Thank you.
Last but not the least, the importance of inventory management system is very serious, as it is important in every aspects of business. The main aspects of the business is to fulfill the customer demand, and without having proper inventory management, it is impossible to make up the demand of the customer. And to make up the demand of the customer, you have to make your inventory updated and add those products which is highly demandable to the customers. Without having the highly demandable products on your inventory, you will not be able to compete in the business market, and your business will be you will be in a great loss for sure. So to make your business more fruitful and to make your business more economically strong, you have to keep your inventory updated, and you have to make up the demands of the customers.